How to restrict someone on Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, launch your Messenger application and then tap on the person, tap on view profile or go to their info, scroll down and you will be able to see restrict. If not, tap and hold and then tap on mute, tap on until I change it, and this is equivalent to restricting someone. So yeah, now they won't be able to call you, or you won't, or even if they call you, you won't be notified. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.